story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, leather seats, luxury package 3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, adjustable steering wheel, rear bench seat, rear head airbag, driver airbag, pass-through rear seat. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.